My dear students, this is a question related with quadratic equation. Here you read the question, what is given. Is it possible to design a rectangular park of perimeter, here is perimeter, of perimeter 80 meter and area 400 meter square? If so, find its length and breadth. First of all, we have to translate the equation, translate this question, because it is given in words, into equation, quadratic equation that will be. Find the discriminant. From the discriminant, you will come to know that whether you can find out length and breadth. If you are able to find out length and breadth, that means you can design a park of 400 meter square area and 80 meter perimeter. So you suppose like that. Answer. Let first of all, you know that perimeter is equal to what you are getting? 2 into length plus breadth is equal to, you are getting perimeter. Let breadth is equal to breadth be x meter. Therefore, 2 into length plus b means what? Breadth. Instead of breadth, we are writing what? X. And perimeter is already given. How much is the perimeter? 80 meter. Now you do one thing. These two will divide 80, you will get 40. So length plus x is equal to, you are getting 40. Now you see L is equal to how much you are getting? 40 minus x. So length is equal to 40 minus x meter. Therefore length is equal to 40 minus x meter. Now you know that area, how are you getting area? We know that length into breadth is equal to area. Therefore, instead of length we are writing 40 minus x. Instead of breadth we are writing breadth is how much? X. Area is already given 400 meter square. So 400 we are writing, only the figure, not the unit. Now 40 into x, we are getting 40x minus x square is equal to 400. Now multiply both sides by minus, so it will be what? Minus 40x minus plus x square is equal to minus 400. You arrange it. X square will be in starting. You write in descending order of power. Minus 40x minus, it will be plus 400. That is equal to 0. Now you find out the discriminant. Then only you will be writing whether you can design this type of rectangular field or not. Here I am writing b square minus 4ac since is equal to, you tell what is b. The coefficient of x is called what? B. That is minus 40 whole square. Then 4. What is a here? Coefficient of x square is called what? A. So you can write 1 is there. Coefficient of x square is 1. And constant term is what? 400. Now 4 4 ja 1600. 4 4 ja 1600. So you are getting what? 0. When discriminant is coming 0, that means real root exists. Therefore, real root exist. Real roots exist. My dear students, now it is sure that we can design the rectangular part. Yes, there is possible to design a rectangular part of given data set. Therefore, we can design a rectangular part with a part of perimeter 80 meter and area 400 meter. Now we have to find out the dimension, means what length and breadth we are supposed to find out. From here, the equation is already I have written here. So from here we have to find out the dimension. Always we are using factorization method, but in this case I am using quadratic formula. You see how can you use the quadratic formula? Here you see A is equal to 1, B is equal to minus 40 and C is equal to 400. So you see quadratic formula where now x is equal to what you can write? X is equal to minus b plus minus root under b square minus 4ac. We are using quadratic formula. 4ac by twice a. So you see minus, okay, and b is equal to how much? B is equal to minus 40 is there. B means what? Coefficient of x. So there is minus 40 plus minus root under b square minus 4ac. Already you got 0. So no need of calculation. Here directly also you can use what? 0, because already you know that b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. In bracket you can write, since b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, we got earlier. Now below what you can write? 2 into 1, because coefficient of x square is 1. So a 1 minus minus plus 40 plus minus 0 by twice. You are getting 40 by 2 into 40 by 2. Why I have written so? You see 40 plus 0. So 40 by 2. 40 minus 0. 40 by 2. You are getting what? 20 and 20. Therefore, both length and breadth will be how much? Length and breadth. That you will get what? You will get length is breadth is equal to how much you are getting? Breadth is equal to x. That is equal to you are getting 20 meter. Length is equal to what? Length is equal to 40 minus x. So you are getting what? 40 minus x. 40 minus 20. That is equal to 20 meter. My dear students, you got 20 meter. 20 meter. I think you understood. Please subscribe my channel and you press the like button also, so that whenever new videos you are getting, You will get the information quickly. Thank you, my dear student.